Come test drive the 2023 A5. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.